Are you tired of long, exhausting workouts that barely get results? What if I told you there's a 5-minute walking hack from Japan that melts belly fat, boosts energy, and even reverses aging? Yes, you heard that right. No gym, no equipment. Just a simple walking trick used by Japanese elders known for living well past 100. Stick around because this might be the only workout you'll ever need. In Japan, aging is embraced with grace. The country is home to the world's longest living people, especially in Okinawa, known as a blue zone, where residents routinely live past 90 and even 100. One of their secrets? A unique style of walking that's not just for movement, but for healing. It's called isogai walking, a 5-minute posture-based method that activates your core, corrects your spine, and supercharges your body's natural fat-burning engine. So how does it work? Unlike regular walking, this Japanese hack emphasizes upright spine, tucked-in pelvis, short controlled steps, and deep nasal breathing. When done correctly, it stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms the body, engages abdominal muscles, and improves blood flow and digestion. That means more fat burn, less bloating, and a faster metabolism, all in just a few minutes. Ready to try it? Let's break it down. Step 1. Stand straight, chin slightly tucked, shoulders relaxed. Step 2. Tuck your pelvis forward as if your tailbone is pointing down. Step 3. Walk slowly with short steps, about 6 to 8 inches each. Step 4. As you walk, squeeze your glutes slightly and engage your abs. Step 5. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 steps. Exhale for 4 steps. Do this for just 5 minutes. That's it. Feel the burn? That's your deep core firing up. This technique has gone viral across Asia and the United States, with thousands claiming flatter stomach in 2 weeks, better posture and less back pain, boosted energy and better sleep. One Japanese physiotherapist reported his elderly patients reversed mobility issues with just 5 minutes of this walking per day. Imagine what it can do for you. The best part? This isn't just for fitness junkies. Busy schedule? Do it on a work break. Low energy? It actually gives you more. Sore joints? It's gentle and healing. Over 50? It supports longevity without strain. Anyone, anywhere can do this, and all you need is 5 minutes. Want faster results? Combine this with a glass of warm lemon water in the morning, light stretching afterward, an early dinner before 7 p.m. It's a holistic Japanese routine designed to reset your body, and it's going viral for a reason. 5 minutes, one habit, a healthier, younger you. Try this for 7 days straight and tell me what changes you notice. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more powerful health hacks from around the world. Your transformation starts with one step.